what's going on, guys? I'm gonna do a really quick leatherwork 101 type video today. So if you're a little bit more advanced, then move on to the next one. I've had a couple questions about this basic stuff, so I wanna cover it. I wanna explain the what, when, and why of edge beveling. I've only got 3. I know some leather workers really collect tools and equipment, and they've just got walls and walls of every different size and type of tool you could possibly need. I never did that, and maybe that should be a little encouraging for you beginners, because you don't need a ton of tools to get the job done. I have 3 edge bevelers here, a 0, a 2, and a 4. This number 0 is for the really small, precise edges on a wallet or a more intricate product. So I'm gonna go stitch a couple pieces of leather together so that we have a little something to work with as an example, and I can show you what these are used for. Okay, just for the sake of this video, I threw together 2 pieces of 7-ounce leather, and now we've got a really good example of a case where we're going to need to bevel the edges before we burnish. Before you bevel or burnish anything though, you really want to make sure that your edges are even and uniform. So I'm gonna hit it with the sander really quick and just get the edges really nice and even. Okay, so now I've got my edges really nice and even and uniform. When you sand it, you're putting a lot of pressure on it this way, so you're gonna get the corners to mushroom out a little bit. And you don't want that, because once you start burnishing, it's only gonna get emphasized and get worse and worse, and those corners are gonna start wrapping around the wrong way. And we don't want that. And that is what a beveler's for. But I gotta explain the rest of this tomorrow. We have to take off. We're going to celebrate a birthday. And so I'll hit this first thing in the morning. We'll see you then. Boom! I'm back. I had to say something, or else you're gonna wonder why I have a different shirt on. Anyway, I'm back. Let's talk edge bevelers. So I've got 3 different sizes to choose from. I'm gonna go with my smallest one. This is the number 0. The way this tool is shaped, it's got a really nice little groove in it. You're just gonna put the edge of the leather right into that groove and push it along. Just apply constant pressure and just go all the way down the side like that. So now that edge is much more rounded, and it's gonna be able to avoid the mushrooming out once we start burnishing. So I'm gonna do it to all sides. Oh yeah, much better. And there we have it. A really nice rounded edge all the way across. So even if you don't have 2 finished sides of the leather like this one, I would still recommend using the beveler on the back fleshy side of the leather as well. Just so that you get the full rounded shape. It's just gonna make your life a lot easier once you're burnishing. Now you can burnish away and have no issues. All right, so I think that pretty much explains it. Let me know if you have any other questions. It's a really simple tool, simple process. So now I'm gonna burnish this thing and get it looking really nice. Enjoy some B-roll of that. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Whoa! Uh-oh. You hitting jumps?
Yeah.
Sick. Do you want to take it outside and ride?
Yeah.
Okay.